Hi KG1, how are you? Today we will make a revision for the farm animals. Are you ready? Do you remember what's the meaning of farm animals? Tell me. Yeah, bravo. It's an animal that are raised on a farm, such as cow, donkey, and other farm animals. And these animals we can get a benefit from it, right? Cow, the first one is a cow. Tell me, what's the benefit that we can get from a cow? What's the benefit? Milk, bravo. And what? Meat. What's a great student that I have. In Arabic, what do we call it? بقرة شطورين. Donkey. Why do we use the donkey? Yeah, to put the heavy things on its back. In Arabic, what do we call it? حمار. Okay, thank you. Good job. A horse. What's the benefit that we get it from the horse? Yeah, pulling the carriages, and we can put the heavy things on its back, right? If we have heavy things, we can put it in its back, and we can ride on its back, right? We can ride even on its back. In Arabic, we call it حصان. Goat. Okay, so goat, we said the third one is a goat. The goat, what's the benefit from the goat? Yeah, it's the same as the cow. The meat, and we can get the milk from it. Chicken. Sorry, before we start with the chicken. Goat in Arabic we call it what? Do you know? Ma? Bravo, Ma'iz. You are a great student actually. Chicken, in Arabic we call it دجاجة. What's the benefit from it? Yeah, we can get the eggs from it. Sheep. Okay, now we will talk about the sheep. What's the benefit from the sheep? Yeah, we can get its meat like the cow and like the goat. And we can make a coat from its wool. Okay? From its wool. Okay, thank you KG1. You have to concentrate on this video to make sure that you get all the information. Thank you, bye.